And you got to use your feet for the jack. We're almost lined up. A little bit at a time. So all the people who be, a little discouraged. I'm working in I think this is a 10 by 20 storage unit, man. So you got to start somewhere. So I'm hustling. You can't let nobody define your hustle. You got to go get it. It's Christmas Day. I'm out here in the storage. Out here working. You can't tell me shit. Yes, they got transmission jacks, but you can do this better. I'm working with what I got. I do what I gotta do. Trying to line up the dial pin right now. Get that lined up and we home free. Almost there. It's close. Wish I could show you, but kind of not in the right spot right now. Yeah. Okay, I need to come down a little bit. Oh, shit. Almost there.